Now our build-up to the 58th annual RJRGleaner Sports Foundation National Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year Awards continues this evening with a look at 400-meter hurdler Janieve Russell. 25-year-old Janieve Russell copped her first senior international title in 2018, adding Commonwealth Games gold to her World Junior title from 2014. And with a number of Diamond League wins and personal bests last season, Russell is now seen as a serious contender for world and Olympic medals. TVJ track and field analyst Bruce James chronicled her season.
2012 was when Janieve Russell won her World Junior Championships in the 400-meter hurdles, and her time has come again. 2018 was a fabulous year for Janieve Russell. Gold at the Continental Cup in the 400-meter hurdles, gold at the Athletics World Cup in the 400-meter hurdles, and then a special double gold at the Commonwealth Games 400-meter hurdles and the 4x4. What happened for 2018 that Janieve really loved, though, is what all athletes love. She set a new personal best, 53.46 for the 400-meter hurdles, making her the number 4 Jamaican woman of all time and making her the number 3 woman in the world this year. So this was a very special year for Janieve Russell. And because of all those accomplishments, including a silver medal at the North American, Central American and Caribbean Championships, Janieve Russell has definitely earned her nomination for Sportswoman of the Year 2018.
The 58th annual RJRGleaner Sports Foundation National Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year Awards Gala will be held on Friday, January 18, 2019 at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. Live coverage will be on TVJ, TVJSN, Hits 92 FM and OneSpotMedia.com.